So quick tip on a quick tool called Quicklook. So this has been around for quite a while. Some people know and some people have never seen this before. But essentially, Quicklook is a tool that when you're on a Mac, all I have to do is simply select something by clicking on it one time. So if I have a PDF here and I just simply clicked on it one time, if I double click, it opens. But if I click once, it selects. And now I hit the spacebar. And the spacebar is going to give you a peek inside of that document without actually launching or opening that document. So I can simply tap on something and hit that one spacebar just to see what that looks like. Or if I have something opened by clicking on it and quick looking it, I can even use the arrow keys to move down from document to document down the list that I might have in a folder or something along those lines to go through those documents. This will work on just about anything that you have on your desktop. It works on images, it works on PDFs, it works on many files. So if I have spreadsheets or if I have just about anything else I have listed here, again, single click and then spacebar, it gives me a preview of it. If I'm happy with it, I just kind of peek in it. I'm good to go. If I want to be able to open it, then I could go ahead and hit open in the corner or simply double click it to be able to launch it. So that is a fun tool called Quicklook on the Mac, just to make it a little easier to peek inside your documents without having to double click and launch the entire app every single time.